Hello everyone. Have a good day. You want to design business card, but don't know where to start? This video is for you. We will start the design from the very basics. Let's start without wasting time. First, we are opening Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document with 3.5 inches, height 2 inches, artboard 2, bleed 0.125 inch, color mood CMYK, resolution 300p. Finally, click OK. This is our artboard. We will design ours on it with the help of the rectangle tool. Take an object of 3.5 inch by 2 inch. From menu bar, object, path, offset path, 0.125 inch. Click OK. Inside this section I will put all the information including pictures. Draw a pentagon using the polygon tool. I will round the corner with the help of direct selection tool. I will delete the unnecessary part by pressing Alt by Shape Builder tool. Then Objects, Path, Offset Path, OK. Grab an object with the rounded rectangular tool. Remove unnecessary parts by Shape Builder tool. Select everything together with Ctrl+A. This is our back side design. We will now design the front side. Take an object 3.5 inch by 2 inch. Object path, offset path, minus 0.125 inch. OK. Take an object with the help of polygon tool. Round it with the direct selection tool. I will delete unnecessary parts with the help of Shape Builder tool. Object, path, offset, path 0.08 inch, then OK. I will delete unnecessary parts with the help of Show Builder tool. Finally, delete the unnecessary part. Degrees with the Rotate tool. This is our front page. We will now add the necessary information. I previously made a file with a logo, icon, barcode, and text. I am opening the file. We will put the logo and company name on the front page. Press Ctrl+G to group. Finally, our front page design is complete. We will now name the back side above. Below, I will put the icon inside this object and here the text. MD Abida Rahman, graphic designer. On the right side, we will put the barcode here. Finally, the design is complete. Group with Ctrl+G. We'll save it now. File. Save. OK. After muck-up, our design will look like this. Thank you for watching the full video.